Welcome friends. Let us continue to study about the plane scale on my YouTube channel. Kindly like and share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So in today's lecture we are going to study about the problem solution on plane scale. In a map of 36 km distance is shown by a line 45 cm long. It means as per the data, so in a map some distance is there, that is 36 km. When it is to be drawn in a particular page or a sketchbook, it is shown by a line of 45 cm long. Right? Now calculate the RF and construct a plane scale to read kilometers and hectometers. So here you are required to know the relationship between kilometer and hectometer for maximum 12 kilometers. So here maximum dimension to be measured is 12 kilometers. And so on that scale a distance of 8.3 kilometer on it. So first of all RF, and for RF they have given us the data that in a map of 36 kilometer distance is shown by a line 45 centimeter long. So the distance, it is distance, so it is a length. So RF equation in case of length is given is length of object in drawing divided by actual length of object. So what is the, as per the data, what is the length of object in drawing? So in drawing the length is 45 centimeter. And what is the actual length of object? That is 36 kilometers. So it is 45 centimeter divided by 36 kilometer. And we know that RF is a unitless, so we have to convert the kilometer into the centimeter. Now let us convert it and do some you can say mathematical operation. So we are going to get the answer 1 by 80,000. So here you are not required to calculate the actual. Clear? Using that calculator, 1 by 80,000 is equal to 0.00 something and write here. So you can write the RF in this format only, that is 1 by 80,000. Next step is the length of scale. So length of scale is equals to RF multiplied by maximum dimension to be measured. So RF is 1 by 80,000, and what is the maximum dimension to be measured? As per the numerical it is 12 kilometers. So it is 1 by 80,000 multiplied by 12 kilometers. So as we have discussed, as the data in the numerical are in the SI system, that is the, you can say, metric system. So we should get the answer of LOS in centimeter. So that we have to convert the 12 kilometer into centimeter. So I am converting 12 kilometer into centimeter, and then answer is 15 centimeter. So we have got the length of scale is the 15 centimeter. So we have to draw a line which is equivalent to 15 centimeters. So we have to draw a line of 15 centimeter long. Now the next thing is, this line shows us how much distance. So this line shows us distance equal to 12 kilometer. So if I will divide line into two divisions, one division will show us how much kilometer? Yes, it will show us 6 kilometer. If I will divide line into three divisions, then one division will show us how much kilometer? Yes, it will show us 4 kilometer, 4 kilometer, 4 kilometer and 4 kilometer. So now, what is easy to divide this line into how much number of divisions? If I will divide this line into 12 divisions, then each division will show us how much distance? Yes, it will show us 1 kilometer. So I am going to divide this line into 12 divisions. Clear? And again giving the numbering. As we have discussed, to the first division we should not start giving the number, and this second division we should start with the 0. So it is 0 kilometer, this is 1 kilometer, this is 2 kilometer, and this is 11 kilometer. Clear? So this is, we have written here kilometer. Now this division shows us the distance kilometer. Now we have to recall the relationship between the kilometer and hectometer. So 1 kilometer is equals to how much hectometer? So 1 kilometer is equals to 10 hectometer. So here we have to divide this division or this distance into 10, and one division will show us 1 hectometer. So here I am dividing this distance into 10 divisions, and one division will show us hectometer. So it is 1 hectometer, 2 hectometer, 3 hectometer, 4 hectometer, 5 hectometer, 6 hectometer, 7 hectometer, 8 hectometer, 9 hectometer, and this is 10 hectometer. So it is 1 kilometer. So that is the plane scale. Now we have to write here RF and you can say unit. So here it is RF is 1 by 80,000, and this is the plane scale for kilometer and hectometer. So that is the thing, but construct a plane scale. So the answer we have received or we have drawn is the plane scale. Now we have to show the distance of 8.3 kilometer on it. So we have to draw a line from 8 kilometer and 3 from the left hand side. That is 1 hectometer, 2 and 3. So it is 8.3 kilometer. Kindly ask your queries in the comment box of the video. Kindly like and share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.